that is my ride for the day. Sheesh. It's a pretty sick Roadster, man. Damn, it's all lowered and everything. Wow. You got some work wheels on and it's lowered. 車庫調はコイルオーバーの方でやってるんですか? So he got some OEM plus going on. He changed the front brakes because this guy, he does go on the circuit and does time attack stuff. Front rotors too, brake pads, rotors. So it's pretty dope. His rear is just stock, you know. You only really need front on these light cars. So yeah. Now, this is nice. I really like the interior on this car. Sounds really nice, actually. Exhaust も変えてるんですか、これ？変わってます。いいですね。いや、いい音してますよ。すっきりしますね、やっぱり。Funky. Now they only sell car parts here in Japan. They don't sell car parts out of this, you know, out of Japan. They don't sell the car parts in the States, unfortunately. Now Garage Funky. Now this is a German parts apparently. The SPR strut tire bar, which is really cool. What they got. So this is made in Germany, which is nice. So in Germany, the brake master cylinder is on this side, but obviously in Japan, right-hand drive, you know, all the brake master cylinder and stuff right there. Now if you're driving a left-hand drive, which will be on the other side, so they do make option for left-hand drive and right-hand drive, and this is from Germany. So you could buy this part from SPR if you do have a Roadster, so, or Miata. And this header right here is like one of 200 headers in the world. So there's only few headers for these cars. So it is very rare headers apparently. So yeah, he has that. I mean, the engine bay looks really clean, dry carbon fiber and all that stuff. This is a really nice Roadster. Got some work wheels on. Nice Garage Funky brake caliper. Yeah, you can only get these parts in Japan, unfortunately. He doesn't really want to sell the parts overseas. So yeah, but man, these parts looks really nice. Even the rear duckbill wing, this is from Garage Funky as well. Even the exhaust too, Garage Funky. Everything is Garage Funky except for the header, so, which is pretty unique. But yeah, it's unfortunate. I really wish the owner, you know, wants to come to the US, you know, start selling parts in the US too, but he only wants to sell his parts in Japan only, so. Oh wow. Got some Recaro seats. Nice. It's a nice steering wheel. Not quite sure what kind of steering wheel that is, but yeah, it is stick shift, so assuming it is. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is stick shift. It's like Alcantara Dash 2, which is really nice. Everything is like Alcantara in here. And he does track his car, and then there's a lot of camber to it. Wow, it's like about -4, -5, I want to say. Same with the front too. There's a lot to it. Trying to get some adjustment, but yeah. And he does, yeah, again, he does track this car. And then that white Roadster behind it as well. Nice little custom catch can. Got a bunch of 583works.com parts. Racing design concept. Nice. Wow. Even the shift knob too is for Garage Funky. It looks like it is Garage Funky dashboard too for the Alcantara. Yeah. Nice. The side mirror is pretty cool too, I realize. Yanenashi side mirrors. Nice. So the owner is nice enough for me to film this car. This car, by the way, guys, sounds really nice. The 1.4 liter turbo. He changed the exhaust, and man, the exhaust just sounds perfect. He did lower it 4 centimeters. That's about 1.25 inches, I want to say, on stock tire, stock wheels, but honestly, that's a really good height I will say. I really like where it's at. Never thought this car will sound really good. I'll try to film it when he leaves, but if you guys don't know, the Fiat Abarth and the Mazda Roadster, the Miatas, I should say, are all same car. It just looks different on the outside, but the frame underneath is everything same. But the crazy thing that we have pointed out and realized is, well, since the Fiat is owned by Mopar, the window is actually made in Japan, but it's stamped by Mopar. That part is kind of weird. So the window, I'm gonna say this again, the windows, all the windows, front, side, and this little piece on the side right here, are all made in Japan, but has a Mopar stamp on it. So if you do want, if let's say your window cracked, and if you do want to buy like the OEM style window with Mopar stamp on it, that's gonna cost you a lot in Japan. In America, not so much, but in Japan, apparently it's gonna cost like 3 times of the price. So you're looking at a Mazda Roadster Miata window that has a Mopar stamp on it, which is pretty cool. This Miata Roadster is really sick. Oh my god, look at those wheels. Nice SSR wheels. Classic. He rarely drives this car. As you guys can see, the dust is covered up, so he rarely drives this car. But this is his maintenance side. This is where he works on customers' cars, which is really nice.いい音やね。
そっちから行くの？
わ
ああ、行くしょ。
うん。
羨ましい。
オッケー。いいね。Christmas season car. What the, in a Mustang, taking some pictures of this car right now, but around here there's a VIP crown, which is pretty tight. So this is like the spot. Bunch of car people will meet up and do like car meets and stuff. So again, just remember guys, throwing a car meet in Japan is illegal. It's against the law. This is not an organized meet, just people just meets up. No one is not running this particular meet, show up what time or what, you know. It's just everyone just kind of shows up here. So yeah, that's how kind of car meet works. R35 GTR, that one's pretty loud. Just pulled up. I mean, it's getting a lot of breaking necks from the area, which is pretty nice. I mean, the work wheels really look nice. Same with garage funky brake caliper. It looks really nice. And the best part is, he does do time attack. I mean, circuit racing and all that. Ooh, nice GR86. Pretty dope. Nice orange. Yeah, nice fitment. It's like a perfect fitment too on this car. Looks so good. And then one of my favorite part for sure is the dual tailpipe that's coming out. This exhaust by Garage Funky. It's all Garage Funky here, so it's really dope. Got a nice VIP crown, all lowered. I think it's super lowered. And also another crazy bike that has shown up, a Boso Zoku bike. You don't see that often no more. Jeez, that sounds so nice. God, the Ferrari's going crazy, of course. Of course that guy's gonna, of course that guy over there gonna do it. Oh my god, JZX. Oh, that sounds nice. owner of this car explained it to me. It's pretty much stock, he's told me, you know, just lowered it, kind of like, you know, he added the drift skirts and all that. He got it paint matched. The car already came like this from the previous owner and all that. So yeah, which is pretty cool. Nice. I always loved the JZX tail lights. But yeah, it's an Australian dude that owns this, and he told me he doesn't drift or anything because that's just too expensive, which makes sense. Well guys, that'll pretty much wrap up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go-san, thank you so much for taking me around to Garage Funky. Go-ya-san, 本当にありがとうございました. And then also Garage Funky, people at the Garage Funky at the shop too. Really, thank you so much for showing me the shop around and everything. Now, I really wish you guys would sell parts to the US or, you know, worldwide. But, you know, I understand, you know, he's not really there to make money. He just, you know, wants to make enough money for him to, you know, literally eat and live and sleep and all that. So, you know, I respect his hustle of his way of what he's doing, so I totally understand that. But he literally creates so many cool parts, like, you know, his, you know, Garage Funky's, you know, calipers, exhaust, all these other stuff, you know, duckbill wings and all that stuff too, you know, shift knob. I mean, all the parts that he makes, you know, it's very unique, you know. So yeah, I never seen it before, and every day is a learning experience day for me. So I learned a lot on the Mazda Roadsters that day. So really, thank you so much, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So if you guys did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's more car content like this that's coming on this channel, so please support. I know my channel is pretty small, but if you guys could support it, that'll mean a lot to me. So other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.